sweet lullaby, remember, running free as a child with red cheeks, sinking into the snow with small feet. Longest days, wish I could stay awake so I don't miss one snowflake. A cup of hot honey tea in your paws. A little bird on the branch sings sweet songs. Take it slow, 'cause you know it won't last. Wish the rest of the year was less fast. Sunset glows, bathing everything in orange, pink, blue, and yellow. Please don't go. Oh, winter, won't you stay a little longer, please? Oh. Hear the wind in the trees in winter. Hear the wind in the trees in winter. Hear the wind in the trees in winter.
I was down like I've never been down. Didn't know if I would make it out. I got these voices that are holding me back. They tell me no, you can never do that. But I go where I want to. I push the boundaries if I have to. Only got one life in front of me. Why box myself in and throw out the key? Why box myself in? I was scared and I wanted to hide. Close the curtains and stay inside. But there's a thunder running through my veins. Now I'm on the freeway cutting lanes. But I go where I want to. I push the boundaries if I have to. Only got one life in front of me. Why box myself in and throw out the key? Why box myself in? I don't wanna find myself. Don't wanna be confined to anything. I just wanna free myself. Open up the door to everything. I'm the only one that's in the way.
Sunny days, they fade away when you leave me all alone. And when I'm down, there's no one around, 'cause I find peace in company. I know if I can get you here, that I could win your heart. It may be hard to believe, but I've known it from the start. That you and I are more than just meant to be. Finding you here was my destiny. Both you and I are from far away, but we both still wound up here. And God only knows how our paths collided in this quaint Nebraska town. I know if I can get you here, that I could win your heart. It may be hard to believe, but I've known it from the start. That you and I are more than just meant to be. And finding you here was my destiny. Through all the way, try to find the perfect thing to say, but if I got in front of you, I know I'd draw a blank. So I sat and wrote this down, then added a little sound. Now here's a song for you.